Well, Lions Gold Award has already, they've awarded me something which was last year. It's a very prestigious award, so it's always an honor to be a part of this amazing award show. And I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna enjoy like we always do. Thank you.
ज़्यादा लेट हो गई ना? चलो बस सांस रोक के रखो।
I'm very much excited. This is my first time though, but I'm excited. Looking forward. Uh, Maybe while coming back with award, then definitely. Thank you.
First time and that I'm getting it. I've received the nomination and I'm getting the award for Sabarmati, my song in Sabarmati. So I'm glad the film is a special film and the awards are special. So I'm super glad. It's amazing. I think I've just got to know about it and I'm super glad that I'm part of it with my very first song in Sabarmati. So every year I'll keep coming. That's my promise to you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. What are you doing? I came for the award. This was my childhood award too. Wait till you grow up. That's the husband. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. It's okay. I think the secret behind my style and my always looking the way that I look is comfort. I like to be comfortable in everything that I wear, and I think when you're comfortable, the authentic you comes out. So I find comfort very good for me, and I love stylish clothes. I love being like I love adorning myself with, as you can see, jewels and just makeup, hair. I love the whole, you know, like they say, Radha used to do 16 singhar, तो हम ये करते हैं. Oh. I don't think, as a person, I don't think I think of myself in terms of just being Indian or just being Western. I look at myself as a global citizen. And I cherish and I really love my Indian roots, and I really feel them in my heart. But as far as Western culture and wearing like fun dresses, I think the key is to be comfortable in whatever you wear, and I think that's what comes across, and that's why it's easy for me to be comfortable in saris and be comfortable in like short dresses and jackets and things like that. I want to say thank you for acknowledging me, and I look forward to many more of these awards. Thank you.
Yes.
I actually have an association with Lions, and they have been with me ever since my television journey began. I did perform at Lions Goals Awards a couple of years ago, so this place will always stay very, very special. And kudos and congratulations to everything that Lions Goals is up to, and I'm so glad to be honored with the award. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
देखा क्या तू?
हेलो हाय 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 तो सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू देम एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू जॉइन देम स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट अभी तो फिलहाल अ सॉन्ग इज़ कमिंग सून अभी तो मैंने बीच में फॉलो नहीं किया है बट आई एम सपोर्टिंग विवियन जी थैंक यू
रुद्रांश
It's a very prestigious awards and it's going on for last 30 years. So congratulations to them and I'm overwhelmed to be here. So something is coming up very soon. I have already started shooting for it and it's a good show coming soon. Hope to see you guys soon. No, not at all. Not at all. अभी बोला ना शो कर रही हूँ तो नया शो आने वाला है. थैंक यू.
सवाल पूछना है कोई अभी है Oh, I mean, it's wonderful, and the way they have maintained themselves, I wish them all the best, and I wish them more and more success. I'm glad to be a part of it. I was here last year too, and this year too. So I hope that many more years to come, I also continue to associate with them. Right now, yes, I am in talks, but I cannot announce. The biggest project which has just been announced is my own brand, which I have just launched yesterday, which is a natural skincare brand, which is called Love Thy Nature. So I'm completely focused on that right now. About my acting assignments, hopefully soon I can make an announcement. I'm excited too. I really hope it comes soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And now, straight left.
Thank you. आराम से आराम से अमित
आ जाओ क्विकली.
आ जाओ.
मुझे कैसे पता है मेरा?
थैंक यू सो मच देवीना.
थैंक यू सो मच. ज़िंदगी में जो भी करो बस एंजॉय करके करो. लाइफ आपको रिवॉर्ड देती रहेगी, कभी कभी अवार्ड के तौर पे.
वेल ये अवार्ड काफ़ी स्पेशल है क्योंकि अवार्ड तो काफ़ी मिले हैं, लेकिन बेस्ट एक्शन हीरो OTT में इस बार आपको पता है कि मेरा डेब्यू हुआ है और कमांडर करण सक्सेना के लिए मुझे ये अवार्ड मिला, तो और इससे बड़ी बात क्या हो सकती है. बिल्कुल, अभी काली काली आंखें नेटफ्लिक्स पे रिलीज़ हुई सीज़न 2, जो कि बहुत बड़ा हिट रहा, और हमने अभी हाल ही में अनाउंस किया है सीज़न 3 के लिए. सो आपने जो एक्शन करते हुए देखा और लार्जर लाइफ आप देखोगे मुझे.
थैंक यू.
वेल ये तो हमें भी नहीं पता, मुझे उस न्यूज़ के बारे में थोड़ा बैठ के देखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन उसके बारे में जब पता होगा तो हम ट्वीट कर देंगे. थैंक यू. हाय सर.
We do just pictures, Shivang. Just pictures.
मैं ब्यूटीफुल लग रही हूँ, उस बारे में तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहूँगी, पर थैंक यू सो मच एंड इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम एट लायंस गोल्ड अवार्ड्स, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर.
Lions is the second largest organization in this world.
Yes, I'm aware about that, and I'm honored that I'm here, and it's my first time, so I'm more excited. Thank you.
Wait.